2 hours, okay, and we made it from there, a nice little beach, to, you ready for it? Here.
Right here, okay.
Good job, buddy.
Woo, we're here!
Standing on a corner with the low-down blues. Great big hole in the bottom of my shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Woo, the money shot!
Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little
You're gonna
man
document
at
this so when
all.
they
Honey, let me
find the
be
camera
your
floating in the
salty
ocean,
dog.
they'll know where it came from.
That's all I know you. Run down stocking and a wore out shoe. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Down in the wildwood, sitting on a log, finger on the trigger and an eye on a hog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Well, I pulled that trigger and the gun said go. Shotgun over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog.
You okay about this blue water thing?
Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Looks pretty calm.
Whatever.
Here, I'll give you this back. I don't know how you use it. I gotta drive.
Just point it.
Just point.
Whoa, hey! Girl thanks. Girl thanks.
Your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Call you later.
This dream where I relished the fray and the scream.
Beach at the Kneeberg.
Picture the green water.
Yeah, we're going out into the ocean. We're going to hit the ocean. Oh! The ocean just about hit us. Here we go. St. John area square. It's almost like the Bermuda Triangle, but not quite as deadly. Look at that. Look at the point where it's meet here. St. John.
500 more are thrashing madly as parasites mine in your blood. Now it's in a lifeboat designed for 10 only.
We're getting into the Chicken Alpine light and steering for the tall gosh darn day. Hey, hey, hey.
The selection was quick, the crew was picked in order, and those left in the water got kicked off.
Think about a different harbor.
Bye, Dimmer Harbor.
Walking out looking. Probably there is.
Then the dream ends.
We're going back to Dipper.
Why?
We only got 3.5 hours to get there before dark. And there's 6-foot swells.
And
So So
Doing the smart thing, is that what you said?
I'm doing the smart thing for once.
Once.
We're leaving in the morning.
There's a lot of ocean out there. Hello again, Dipper Harbor. You say hello, Jamie. Peace out, Dipper Harbor. Is that trip number 2 you're saying?
Yeah, it was rock.
Does your mother tell you things long, long when I'm gone? Who you talking to? She telling you I'm gone. It's a great mistake. Wide awake.
This is like a reality show about your life.
It's gonna be a pretty boring.
From this angle, I can't see the reel. I just it looks kind of bad. Hold on, the lore's not moving. Still filming. Oh, we got one! I got one! That seemed really dangerous.
Same mistake. It's been a long time running. It's been a long time coming.
What do you think, Hootie?
Well, what?
You're quiet as usual.
Found myself face down in the ditch, booze in my hair and blood on my lips. A picture of you holding a picture of me in the pocket of my blue jeans. Dipper Harbor is the place where you can park and drink off your face. All right? I'm right.
You're always right.
Say it again.
You're always right. You hear that, Miranda?
Can't see your lips moving though.
You think you're dubbing this or what? You're not that good.
Ooh, that's too close. There we go. So,
Change the plans. Supposed to go that way. We're going this way.
over there, that house.
Back home. Trip was never meant to happen.
This is a trip. We're on a trip right now.
Three things bad. It's time to turn around. Just so everybody knows, you know, don't, because it's what time? 10 in the morning.
It's my morning sing. Oh, he doesn't like banana peels.
Standing here, it's just the most craziest thing in the world. Just hang on. scared. It's not gonna come back, right? Right? So hang on, man. Emotional. There's this thing. This thing that came out of the water, man. I don't know what it was. It was like a sea monster. It was like a cross between a sea otter. There he is. Get him. It's huge. It's a seal.
Long we were searching these serpentine streets for the signs of a spark, fucking around in the dark. And long we were held in the throbbing and desperate heat of the clubs.
Look at me!
Drinking,
I'm driving a boat!
we drink it up.
Harbor.
Each step was something, the beat in the blood and the heat in our hands of 12 regular men. So when we come down Cathedral Street, hollow and beaten to the room that I rent, I'm going back up again. I'm going out.
Jamie's first adventure in the Musquash Bay, home viewers. What do you think? Do you think the sea monster chases down here?
I don't know. If he's gonna hit it, it's gonna be quick.
Yeah.
Before he gets into the river water.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Who knows? We just picked up 8 knots. Maybe he's pushing us.
Let's go back in again. Oh, and we're back in.
Back into the shit water.
Back in the fecal water. Manawagash Island.
Rushing in, am I rising up? Am I rising up? Am I rising up?
Found a use for Scotty. I knew I brought you for a reason, buddy. Not only are you a good cook, but you're smiling while you do it.
Oh, yeah. Manawagash Island. Bitches! Yeah, we on a boat! Behind us we have lovely Urban Nature Park. There's not a boat! There is not a on a boat. We's on a boat. Yeah, we're gonna rock out. This song's called Billionaire Bitches. Billionaire bitches, rocking out with their riches. Billionaire bitches. Oh, they won't do the dishes. That's why they hire those nannies to take care of the dishes and their children's children and stuff. Billionaire bitches.
It's pretty good.
I'd like to thank all the seagulls and whatnot over at Manawaganers Island for that one.
No, the king and queen, the eagles, the bald eagles over here.
Okay, it's now about what time? 7 p.m.
700.
7:00 on the PM side of things, and it's -6 the wind chill. But it's a beautiful night.
The bald eagle on the end.
Oh, there's a bald eagle over there doing stuff. Doing bald eagle stuff. Hello, this is the ship. Is that you, the shore? Can you read me anymore? Rock you! Rock you! Holy shit, the ocean's rocking.
And this is my co-pilot.
I'm pilot right now. Hey, get out of here, birds. Hey. Hello? Rock you!
Fucking birds, you gotta get rid of them.
Oh, rock you! Get out of the way, stupid birds!
Yes, because there's so much in our way here.
Oh, well, look at them. What happens if we get over there all of a sudden?
All of a sudden.
See, hey, what you got? And what you gonna do?
Oh my God.
What? Rock you!
Oh, it's funny, man.
Ship to the shore. The seashore. I'm holding his butt down the whole time.
Yeah, right.
You guys please pull over.
Yep.
Rock you. On a boat.
On a boat. That is a pretty sunset, buddy.
What are you looking at?
Gonna be.
It's Power Wrestle making memories heading inbound to Square.
Memories, funny traffic. What's your location now, sir? Over.
We just off Partridge Island.
Nobody's driving! Ah! Here we are. We're heading into the St. John Harbor area. We got
Ooh, we're getting some big rollers.
Partridge Island right in front of us, and we got some big rollers come behind us. Whoa, big rollers.
I'm serious. Serious, man. You can't do this. I am not dancing with you. All right. That's what you gotta look forward to, kids.
Oh.
When you bring your first boyfriend home, I'm gonna go like this.
Oh, side of the road in the ditch you rest. A mouthful of mud from a fistful of dust. A heart full of hurt from a head full of wine. I'll call you back some other time. No way I'm picking up my phone. I'm tired of talking, leave me alone.
Mayday, making memories, Fundy traffic. Roger, sir. We understand that the power boat apparently is going through the falls or in that vicinity. And what type of vessel are you, sir? Are you a power vessel or sailing vessel, over?
We got a 13-foot power vessel.
Say again, 30 foot, is that correct, over?
32-foot power vessel.
Making memories, Fundy traffic. Roger, sir. And what's your present position, over?
We're probably right in front of the cranes here. I'm not sure what the checkpoints are.
Making memories, Fundy traffic. Roger, sir. And would you be able to assist in the situation? Again, we understand that the vessel is in the falls at this time, and she may be coming downstream. Would you be in any way able to assist, over?
10-4, we're up as far as we can here. I'm just, concerned about flood current here.
Making memories, Fundy traffic. Roger, sir. If you could maintain a listening watch on Channel 12, keep a sharp lookout, report any sightings to us right away. We'll be standing by on 12.
10-4, we're going to head up underneath the bridge at least and do it.
Making memories, Fundy traffic. Roger, thank you.
You gotta do this, dude.
It's just like in the back of my head, I'm thinking I'm gonna rescue a whole whack of people, then I'm gonna get arrested.
All stations. All stations. All stations. This is Fundy traffic. Fundy traffic. Fundy traffic. 172058 local time. A vessel in distress reversing falls area has been assisted. No further assistance required. Mayday canceled. Ceylon City. Break, this is Fundy traffic.
No, but I know what I've lost. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Yeah, it's time to get me gone. The yellow lines are glowing. Oh, highway, roll me home. Oh, highway, roll me home.
What's up, man? Where are we? The backdrop, the pretty lights.
Market slip.
We failed on our rescue attempt, right?
Well,
No, tell us about it.
There was a rescue situation in Mayday from an orange vessel heading into
A what? Orange or porn?
orange
Oh, okay.
porn-filled vessel from some reports that we've heard. Not the official reports. Anyway, they could be rumors, whatever. So apparently they were heading into the falls from upriver. So we were asked to proceed to the falls because they were going through and having issues. They're drifting. That was the official word, drifting. Remember? Drifting.
Yeah, it was absolutely drifting. Yep.
They were drifting. Anyway, we get up there, we tied stuff up, we had stuff ready, we brushed our teeth.
Stuff. What do you mean stuff? And why did you brush your teeth?
Well,
Well, tell the viewers.
I wanted the rescue attempt to go smoothly. I didn't want halitosis to become an issue.
Hella what?
Halitosis. Bad breath, official term.
Okay.
You hear chronic halitosis?
No, never heard of it.
Chronic bad breath. Someone who just can't get rid of it.
So what happened?
So there was no
there was nothing, and nothing happened. We get up there, and the radio dude said, "Yeah, they've been spotted upriver. It's all good." All right. So apparently they weren't drifting, they were driving, and they were in control.
So we risked our lives for nothing, right?
That was a lot of current going through there. It was
crazy, wasn't it?
You feel the power of
Oh
that.
yeah, we were getting there. We probably wasted $100 in fuel.
Yeah, who's going to reimburse us for that?
We should call Funny Traffic.
What's their number?
1-2.
1-2. Okay, I'll go in the air here.
This is a great shot, dude. Play. Wow.
This one goes out to all you gingers out there. I've got friends who are gingers, so I can say that.
Not really. Not really, man. Only a ginger can call a ginger a ginger. You know the rules. Play. Biatch. Oh, you got fans up there.
Cocaine flame in my bloodstream. Sold my coat when I hit Spokane. Bought myself a hard pack of cigarettes in the early morning rain. Lately my hands, they don't feel like mine. I've been stung with dust and blind. Held you in my arms one time, lost you just the same. Jolene, I ain't about to go straight. It's too late. Found myself face down in the ditch, booze in my hair and blood on my lips. A picture of you holding a picture of me, the pocket of my blue jeans. I still don't know what love means. I still don't know what love means. Jolene, la 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 la. Jolene, la 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 la. It's been so long since I've seen your face. I felt a part of this human race, living out of this hair suitcase way too long. A man needs something he can hold on to, a 9-pound hammer or a woman like you. Either one of them things.
They're taking pictures of you now.
Jolene, I ain't about to go straight. It's too late. I found myself face down in that ditch, booze in my hair and blood on my lips. A picture of you holding a picture of me, the pocket of my blue jeans. I still don't know what love means. I still don't know what love means. Jolene, la 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 la. Jolene, la 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 la.
Woo!
You made.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pay it forward.
She liked it.
She did. I made her night.
That's what she said.
All right.
What do you think, buddy?
We're about to take an adventure to O'Leary's.
Maybe.
Jamie says we shouldn't bring the camera just in case something happens.
Hey, you can bring it. Just I'm worried about you. Maybe doing a backflip off the back of the boat or something.
I'm not really worried about that, but it might happen. I'm just not worried about it.
You never know.
We could have trouble getting over that fence at the top of there too. No, right there.
I think I'm okay.
There's a gate. I'm just saying we might.
I gotta work out to it.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm gonna have to end up pushing you
like
over
I'm
by
gonna
your
fall off
ass.
the back of the boat again.
You're gonna be hanging over by your just like cheater
Again.
tot.
Again.
I have to push your ass to get you over.
It's crazy, man. I don't know what to tell you.
Top of the morning to you, Jamie. I think when we talked to the camera last, we were heading out.
Maybe.
We came back successfully anyway.
All alive.
Yeah.
With Subway in our belly.
Ugh. And farts. Lots and lots of farts. Good thing this is a smell-o-vision, because all around this here boat thingy, it really smells like poo-poo and pee-pee and B.O.
B.O. Low?
Bo who?
You ever see that sea monster again?
I never saw him. Bet he's following us down though. Probably lurking somewhere.
That's what happened last night. That's why I fell.
Ah, the sea monster pushed you.
Push me.
Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
I ain't give a care! I'm on the boat! Yeah!
Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, don't worry about a thing.
Down in the wildwood, sitting on a log, finger on the trigger and an eye on a hog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Well, I pulled that trigger and the gun said go. Shotgun over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Salt it down now. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog.